Hey guys, just wanted to do a brief overview of some fields in the DRS report and what they are. I will say that we'll be flipping between two screens because I've opened up the DRS guide on another screen here. So this is super helpful, all the information in here. So obviously you want the last name, the first name, the judicial district of the charge. The hope is that we get the case number, or else we can't reconcile the report. And to reconcile it means that it grabs the original report from the alcohol evaluator and kind of meshes it in, combines it with our already started report. Now, as you guys are sending me DRS information on the inquiry form that I made, I'm trying to make this easier so that we won't have to reconcile. Just all the information will be in there, and then also you'll be able to discharge relatively quickly. Because right now, if we tried to discharge this client, it wouldn't work. We don't have enough information in the fields here. We didn't find anything out about our test client other than the birthday. And so this is a really unfinished report, which is the reason for the DRS inquiry forms, and I'm hoping to add those to the DUI intake. We only use these three fields. That's all you really have to be worried about. We don't use day treatment, halfway house, any of these unless we're going to count treatment from another facility, which is going to be on a completely separate DRS. And that's going to be another video. So right now, the clinicians just worry about the level 2 education. Obviously, that's the 24 hours, 12 classes. Level 2 non-intensive outpatient would be any track, A, B, C, or D. That's where it goes. It does not go in day treatment. So you're only using these three. Enhanced intensive outpatient, which we're seeing more of because of the amount of DUI charges. That'd be something like your SA-COG group, MRT group, DBT group, and so you would just label it as such and enter the hours. Okay, so you're really only worried about these three. Down here, the adjuncts mean, are they signed up for breath testing, UAs, anything else? When you reconcile a report, the track should just flow right in there. The BAC also will flow in there, but if we go to the DRS guide, we try to find the BAC codes, because everybody freaks out when they see a 999 on the BAC and they're like, oh my god, it can't be that high. That means it's not available. It means it wasn't given. A 900 is refused, an 888 not taken, and a 777 would be drug offense. So pay attention to this one specifically now with all the marijuana charges and the opiate pill charges. You're going to see more of the 777 drug offense, okay? In our DRS guide, it really lets you know how many days you have to update things, what each field means in detail, and this isn't a really long document by any means. And it does note, let me look here. You have all your tracks right here, which we have in our Y drive as well, but just in case you wanted a refresher. And we just went over the BAC stuff. Number of arrests should travel through when you reconcile the report. The DMV affidavit is our separate video that is in the YouTube channel. Client status, you want to put if they're in progress or just signed up or completed or transferred. And if they are going to transfer to another agency, you have to go to linkingcare.org and find out what the referral treatment center's code is. So they don't want letters in here as far as the name, like BI counseling, plus there's only 4 spaces for you to type in. You have to go to linkingcare.org and look up the treatment center that they're going to. Sometimes, to be honest with you, I'll just put unknown, the 4 first letters of unknown in there, and it hasn't really been an issue. You could note in the note box in TMS, oh, we just got logged out. You could note in the note box there. Sorry, I couldn't multitask there. Where they went to. So if they say, yeah, I'm going to transfer over to Arapahoe House, then, you can go in here, you could put unknown in the box. That's how I do it there. And then put client transferred to Arapahoe House. And obviously you would hit this